and gentlemen. India is home to several beautiful classical dances that originate from various parts of the country. Odissi is one of these classical dance forms. Originating in the eastern state of Odisha, it dates back to the 2nd century BC. This graceful and statuesque dance is symbolized in art and sculpture all over temples in Odisha. Odissi is characterized by the dancer's lyrical and fluid movements, which depict stories from ancient texts. These ancient texts tell the stories of how the earth came into being, how truth triumphs over evil, and how various gods and goddesses interact with one another. Manch Pravesh is of great importance in the study of Indian classical dance. It is a public performance put on by the Shishya after the Guru feels that the necessary skills have been acquired. On this auspicious day, the dancer presents the art form for all, with devotion to her Guru and Lord Jagannath, the presiding deity of Odissi. This Manch Pravesh marks the commencement of the artist's journey as she hopes to receive the blessings of all her well-wishers. It is with a sense of great joy and pride that Mayo College Girls' School welcomes you to the Manch Pravesh of Achal Saxena, Alisha Prasad, Neha Bora, Pallavi Paul, Saloni Agarwal, Shubhangini Prasad and Vedika Saraf. Our dancers this evening are indeed blessed as their talents have been so carefully nurtured by their gurus, Guru Madhumita Raut and Guru Seema Bansal Rai. Guru Madhumita Raut, a globally recognized face of Odissi dance, is the inheritor and proponent of her illustrious father, Guru Mayadhar Raut's dance legacy. Guru Madhumita Raut has taught and performed Odissi dance in more than 29 countries. Her landmark book, Odissi, What, Why and How, History, Evolution and Technique, has been highly appreciated for its in-depth research. Last year, she was honored with the Odisha Living Legend Award in Odisha. She is currently based in New Delhi. The Manch Pravesh is being presented under the guidance of Guru Madhumita Raut. She will also conduct the orchestra on the Manjira. Guru Srimati Seema Bansal Rai joined Mayo College Girls' School in 1994 as Odissi classical dance teacher. She is a senior disciple of Guru Dibakar Khuntia and the legendary Guru Mayadhar Raut. She holds an advanced diploma in Odissi dance and has a number of Odissi recitals to her credit, including a solo recital at Triveni in Delhi under the aegis of the International Odissi Guild, USA. She thoroughly enjoys teaching Odissi dance at our school and considers the school to be her family. Now we request Guru Madhumita Raut, our esteemed principal Ma'am Singh, and Guru Seema Bansal Rai to light the ceremonial lamp. Tattva with Mangalacharan. This is the opening item of an Odissi recital and is invocatory in nature. Mangalacharan begins with Pushpanjali, a floral offering, followed by Bhumi Pranam, salutation to Mother Earth. Then, a prayer to Lord Jagannath is followed by the Trikhandi Pranam to God, the Guru and the audience. Mangalacharan.
संगीत करबो मुदा नारी वदन कमला
A pure dance piece dedicated to Lord Shiv in his form as Batu Bhairav. The dance piece depicts different musical instruments like the veena, flute, manjira, mardal and darpani, and typical Odissi postures as seen in the ancient temples of Odisha. The temples from which these postures have been taken are the famous Jagannath Puri Temple, Konark Sun Temple and Lingaraj Shiv Temple. Batu Nritya.
कड़ तक कदी गिने था कड़ तक कदी गिने था कड़ तक कदी गिने